I'm Jason Cheng and I'm studying at Purdue University. My major is aeronautical and astronautical engineering. At LayerZero, I am an engineering intern, so one of my main tasks has been helping write a team-centered work instruction and also just help out with some general projects around. Through this internship, I got to do more or less little of everything. I did a little bit of programming with that Python project, some writing with the work instructions, and now I'm working on some CAD projects. I think my favorite part has really just been getting to work with the whole engineering teams. I have contributed to the overall process of building transfer switches and the other equipment that are produced by LayerZero and used in critical industries, especially the growing AI sector. It's good to ask questions for clarification or direction, and especially since everyone here is more than willing to help you if you do ask.